Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a virtual server with Amazon Web Services, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by signing into your Amazon Web Services account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the AWS website. Once logged in, navigate to the AWS Management Console. Locate and select the EC2 service. On the EC2 dashboard, click the Launch Instance button. You will be prompted to choose an Amazon Machine Image, or AMI. Select an AMI that suits your needs, such as Amazon Linux or Ubuntu. Click Select to proceed to the instance type selection. Choose an instance type based on your workload requirements. For beginners, the T2.micro instance is often suitable and is eligible for the free tier. Click the Next, Configure Instance Details button after selecting your instance type. On the configuration page, modify any settings if necessary. Ensure the number of instances is set to 1 for simplicity. Click Next, Add Storage when you're ready to proceed. Here, you can adjust the size of your storage volume if needed. Click Next, Add Tags to assign tags for organization purposes. Entry tags are optional, but they can help identify your server later. Once done, click Next, Configure Security Group. Create a new security group or select an existing one. Define inbound rules according to your access needs. Make sure to allow SSH access by adding a rule for port 22. You can also add HTTP or HTTPS rules if you intend to run a web server. Click Review and Launch when you're satisfied with your configuration. Review all your settings to ensure everything is in order. Click the Launch button to initiate your instance. You will be asked to create or select a key pair for SSH access. If creating a new key pair, download the private key file and keep it secure. Click Launch Instances to complete the process. Navigate back to the EC2 dashboard to check the status of your instance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.